Welcome to Q Compliance. In this video, we will define how to leverage the RMF Overview Guide when configuring systems using Q Compliance. Q Compliance has many advantages that simplify ongoing compliance management. Built on a high-performance, big data platform, Q Compliance continuously monitors and collects data in real time from networks, systems, tools, and devices both on-prem and in the cloud. Let's discuss how you can leverage the RMF Overview Guide for step-by-step instructions to configure and mature your system using Q Compliance. Navigate to the System Overview menu and select RMF Overview. You'll view the 6 RMF steps, each represented by a card displaying the step number, name, and a counter that tracks items that have been completed. The checks are completed by following the step-by-step guidance to mature your system. Once you have navigated to the desired system using the green Organization and System button, expand each task to select a subtask. The guidance for completing each step will be displayed on the right side of the page. Hover over the checkbox to see the requirements for Q Compliance that must be fulfilled in order for the box to automatically check. By following the provided guidance, you can easily access links that direct you to the relevant sections within the tool to help you complete this step. Once you are on the RA-02 control on the Control Compliance Hub, scroll to the bottom of the page to upload the documentation. The evidence can be uploaded using a file or a link. In this example, we are uploading a system categorization evidence file to satisfy the requirement for this control. Once the documentation is successfully uploaded, you can navigate back to the RMF Overview dashboard and confirm that the box is checked, indicating the task has been successfully completed. Using the RMF Overview guidance within Q Compliance ensures accuracy and compliance by providing tailored, step-by-step instructions that reduce errors and streamline the process. This feature saves time, maintains consistency, and helps meet regulatory requirements by guiding users through complex procedures effectively and uniformly across the organization.